Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!
I have 2 bottles of Aguardiente here. They were gifted to me by Maria. Thanks for that, Maria. Really, I appreciate it. The word Aguardiente is a combination of words. Agua meaning water and ardiente meaning burning. So literally it means burning water or firewater. So what we've got going on here is Saucan and Centero, both from Cuba. Technically they're not considered rums, even though they're distilled from sugarcane. It's more like cane liquor rather than rum, or rum without aging. As you can see, they're both clear and colorless. They seem to have the same density. Let's try the Centero first. The Centero has a slight hint of, well, maybe a precursor to what a rum should smell like. I'm getting a big nose of black pepper though, but not much else. Some kind of vegetable too. Maybe celery? Yeah, I think it's celery. Huh. Now the Saucan smells bigger and maybe more sweeter on the nose, almost molasses than Centero, and closer to what a rum should smell like. I'm getting a real damp earthiness and almost an antiseptic smell. Yow, paint thinner. No, really, it does have some character. Okay, let's try these. Which one first? Which one first? Oh, first drink of the day. Okay, Centero is a 40% alcohol by volume. Wow, pepper, for sure pepper. It's really bland though. I'm getting a little sugarcane sweetness now with some grasses. Even a little saltiness going on. All right, let's try the Saucan. 40% alcohol by volume as well. Okay. It's a little rough in the mouth, but definitely spirity. And that earthiness I was smelling, I'm tasting it now. And it seems to be lingering on. It's actually becoming more pleasant. Maybe I'm just climatizing myself. You know, these would actually be really good with maybe a little ice cube in them. It would, mellow it out a bit. I'm also getting a faint vegetable here too. That one's harder to pinpoint. Maybe artichoke? I don't know. The one thing about these wannabe rums is that they're young and they haven't been aged. You know, it might be perfect in a cocktail like a mojito. Just add a few mint leaves and some bubbles and you're in. Or try it in a classic Cuban canchanchara. They even make a VSOP aguardiente. I wonder what that tastes like. Anyway, my final thoughts on these 2 wonderful products. They are strong. I think a little ice might help with dilution. You know, maybe we should age them ourselves. I'm sure they're relatively inexpensive. Give it a try.
Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!